We now just need to finish everything up. We'll start by weaving in the end at our bind off edge. Thread the tapestry needle. You can see I've got a little gap here between where I started my bind off and where I ended, and that's the first stitch I'm going to make. I'm going to draw my tapestry needle under that first bind off stitch and just try to close up that gap a little bit. Now that looks like a much smoother line. And now we'll draw our needle to the back, and we're going to weave it through the little bumps in the back. So we'll draw it through a few stitches and then just change directions 1 or 2 times. And that's it. You can cut the tail short and it should now be secure. You'll repeat this with all the remaining ends. And again, I'll thread the tapestry needle and then draw it through on a diagonal. And this helps make sure that the ends aren't visible on the front. Once all the ends have been woven in, we're ready for our last step, which is called blocking. To block our work, we're going to submerge it in cool water. You can partially fill a sink. You don't need any soap. Once it's completely wet, you can gently squeeze to get out some of the excess water. Don't wring it out. And then you can lay your knitting on a towel and roll it up in the towel to get out some excess water. Then just lay it flat and let it dry, and you'll be surprised at how much better it looks after it's had a bath. And that's it. Good job, you!